Welcome to this guide on leveraging artificial intelligence tools to generate income. As a student, you possess unique advantages in adapting to new technologies. AI offers exciting opportunities to earn money, develop valuable skills, and even launch a career. This tutorial will explore various practical ways students can utilize AI tools. We will cover everything from content creation to specialized services. Get ready to unlock your earning potential with the power of AI. Before diving into earning strategies, let's briefly identify the types of AI tools we're discussing. Large language models, or LLMs, like ChatGPT and Google Bard, are excellent for text generation and analysis. Image generators such as Midjourney and DALL-E create stunning visuals from text prompts. Other tools include AI-powered video editors, coding assistants, and data analysis platforms. These diverse tools form the foundation of many income-generating activities. Familiarizing yourself with their capabilities is the first step. One of the most accessible ways to earn money with AI is through content creation. AI can significantly speed up the process of generating high-quality written material. This includes blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even ad copy. You can offer services to small businesses or individuals who need consistent content. Use AI to brainstorm ideas, outline structures, and draft initial versions. Always review and refine the AI-generated text to ensure originality and accuracy. For visual content, AI image generators are incredibly powerful. You can create unique artwork, illustrations, or stock photos for various clients. These images can be used for websites, marketing materials, or digital products. Consider generating custom graphics for social media campaigns or personalized digital art. Platforms like Etsy or stock photo sites can be avenues for selling your AI-generated visuals. Remember to understand the licensing terms of the AI tools you use. AI can also assist in video content creation. While not fully autonomous, AI tools can help write video scripts, generate storyboards, or even create basic animations. This can be valuable for explainer videos or short promotional clips. Offer services to create engaging video scripts or visual concepts for YouTube channels or businesses. Combining AI with your creativity can produce professional-looking content efficiently. This opens doors to various freelance opportunities. Beyond direct content creation, you can provide specialized services enhanced by AI. Prompt engineering is a growing field where you craft effective prompts for AI models. Businesses often struggle to get desired outputs from AI and need expert guidance. You can offer prompt optimization services, helping clients achieve better results from their AI tools. This requires a deep understanding of how different AI models respond to various inputs. Developing this skill can be highly lucrative. AI-assisted research and summarization is another valuable service. Students can leverage AI to quickly process large amounts of information. Offer to summarize lengthy reports, academic papers, or market research for busy professionals. This service saves clients significant time and provides them with concise, actionable insights. Ensure you verify the accuracy of AI-generated summaries with original sources. Your critical thinking remains essential. For those with a knack for data, AI can assist in basic data analysis. While not replacing data scientists, AI tools can help identify trends or generate simple reports from datasets. This is useful for small businesses without dedicated analytics teams. You could offer to process customer feedback, analyze sales data, or identify market patterns. Presenting these insights clearly can be a valuable service. Always focus on interpreting the AI's output rather than just presenting raw data. Students can also create and sell simple digital products powered by AI. Consider developing custom chatbots for small businesses or personal brands. These chatbots can handle customer inquiries, provide information, or assist with bookings. Platforms like ManyChat or custom AI tools can help you build these without extensive coding knowledge. Offer these as a service or sell pre-built templates. This provides a recurring revenue stream for clients. Another idea is creating AI-generated digital products like ebooks, planners, or templates. Use AI to generate content for niche ebooks or design elements for digital planners. These can be sold on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Focus on specific niches where AI can quickly generate relevant and valuable content. Always add your unique touch and ensure the quality meets market standards. This allows for scalable income generation. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent places to market your AI skills. Create a compelling profile highlighting your proficiency with various AI tools. Showcase examples of your AI-assisted work. Clearly define the services you offer, whether it's AI-generated content, prompt engineering, or data summarization. Start with competitive pricing to build your portfolio and gain positive reviews. Good reviews are crucial for attracting more clients. Actively search for projects that align with your AI capabilities. Many businesses are now specifically looking for individuals who can leverage AI effectively. Position yourself as an AI-savvy professional. Networking within online communities focused on AI and freelancing can also open doors. Share your knowledge and connect with potential clients or collaborators. Building a strong online presence is key. To truly succeed in making money with AI, certain skills are paramount. Prompt engineering is critical. Learning how to communicate effectively with AI models will yield better results. Experiment with different phrasing and parameters. Critical thinking is indispensable. AI outputs are not always perfect. You must be able to evaluate, refine, and fact-check information. Your human judgment adds immense value to AI-generated content. Understanding AI limitations is also vital. Know what AI can and cannot do, and be transparent about its use. This builds trust with clients and helps manage expectations. Finally, identifying a niche where AI can provide significant value is crucial. Don't try to do everything. Focus on an area where your AI skills can solve specific problems for clients. Specialization often leads to higher earnings. To begin, choose 1 or 2 AI tools and master them. Don't try to learn everything at once. Then, identify a specific service or product you can offer using those tools. Start small and build your expertise. Create a portfolio of your AI-assisted work, even if it's just personal projects initially. This demonstrates your capabilities to potential clients. Market yourself on freelancing platforms and social media. Regarding ethics, always be transparent about your use of AI. Avoid plagiarism by ensuring AI-generated content is original and properly attributed if necessary. Understand the ethical implications of AI in your chosen field. While AI can automate tasks, it also creates new opportunities for human creativity and oversight. Focus on how AI can augment your skills, not replace them. Use AI responsibly and thoughtfully. The landscape of work is rapidly evolving with artificial intelligence. As a student, you are uniquely positioned to embrace these changes and turn them into income opportunities. From content creation to specialized services, AI tools offer a diverse range of possibilities. By developing key skills like prompt engineering and critical thinking, you can effectively leverage AI to your advantage. Start exploring, experimenting, and building your portfolio today. The future of work is here, and AI can be your powerful ally.